But I'd like to right now invite to the front Jennifer Utter. Jennifer comes as our legal counsel at the FHA, and we're going to give Jennifer just a few minutes before we take a break and let her walk through a few thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, she volunteers countless hours and her legal expertise for the FHA. We would not be where we are, 6 years young, if it were not for the wisdom of this lady that stands beside me. Will you please welcome Jennifer Utter?
I do have a few encouraging words, hopefully, at some point when that is available. But even if it's not, then hopefully these words you will take with you. I want to say to the Franklin Graham people and Amy Wagner, I'm in. And who you need to talk to are the people like me that do the announcements at church every Sunday. So that's just a little tip, that's free. So as Dale has given me just a few moments to talk with you, and I know that there are many pastors here. My pastor is not here today, but he has been here numerous times. And I know that the support of the FHA and the family values that FHA promotes is very important. But there are a lot of questions. And one of those questions is, well, how can we get involved? And so what I want to do today is just go over a few of the ground rules for you as you are thinking about getting involved with the prayer ministry and encouraging people to run for office, or even running for office yourself. So here are some reminders of what a church can do, what Foothills Community Baptist Church in Piedmont, where I attend, what we can do, and what we have done in many circumstances. So you can conduct nonpartisan voter registration drives. So you can have a table in the lobby either before or after the service, or in between Sunday school and the service, so that people can make sure that they're registered. And if you're in a church that covers more than one county, be sure to have registrations for numerous counties. At Foothills Community Baptist, we cover, and we have members that are from Meade County and also from Pennington County, so we always have both. You are able to conduct get out the vote drives and encourage your members to vote. You can conduct petition drives regarding certain legislation. We've seen that happen with HB 1008, and now there's still an opportunity for some of the legislation that's going through. And so if you have any of those bills that are of interest to your congregation, then it's okay. You can conduct petition drives to have these issues be heard. You can distribute nonpartisan voter education guides. And the FHA is one of those potential sources for you if you choose. And we have some materials that are here today. I'm going to mention one in particular before I go. You are free as the church, as the pastor, to educate voters on legislative and political matters. Have Dale Barger come to your church and talk about what it takes, or any of the interns, or any legislator to come and talk. However, be careful, because if you invite one, you need to invite them all. And we're going to talk a little bit about that as well. So you can also, and this is very close to the heart of many people, discuss doctrine as it applies to legislative issues and candidate positions. So while you're cautioned, you're not going to whether support or oppose anyone individually or any one candidate individually, please talk about what the Bible says about what's going on and what the votes are. And you can do that, and you are within your rights within the law to do that. Lots more things that you can do. You can have a candidate forum. So for instance, this facility, you can have a candidate forum here. You have a great location, but you must invite everyone. maybe everyone doesn't come, but you can invite them and you can host such presentations within the law as you invite everyone. Just no partisanship. If I could sum up the don'ts, it's no partisanship. But you can still, even as a church, lobby on behalf of specific legislation. You can support or oppose political appointments. So the governor has quite a bit of power, of course, in appointing judges and legislators, and you can support even judges on the local level and that appointment by the governor, and you can support or oppose that. You can make expenditures. So Foothills Community Baptist could send a check on behalf of a referendum. So if there's any items that are coming up for that vote, then as a church, you can support that if that is on the heart of your church. And of course, pastors, you may endorse candidates. You have to be very careful about making sure that you're endorsing them as an individual, and even possibly consider having a disclaimer that you're not endorsing on behalf of a church, but you are endorsing as an individual. But for purposes of identification, you can tell who you are. So please be cautious when you are considering the following: endorsing a campaign for specific candidates for elected office in the name of the church. That will put any of these items could put your nonprofit status at risk. Contribute money or make in-kind contributions, such as resources or services, to a specific candidate or a specific political party or a specific political action committee. Be cautious when you are distributing materials that endorse a particular candidate.